guys, Dana Cole here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 3 different portrait type of setups. And one in particular, I'm going to use the new Softbox Snaplux by Elinchrom that I was graciously sent to test out and try for you guys. I don't necessarily have Elinchrom lighting, but they did send an adapter for my Photo lights, so you can use this Softbox with any type of lights that you already have. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and set it up so you guys can see what it looks like and see how it works. All right. Okay, you guys, so I'm all set up. The Elinchrom Snaplux is on my light, and this is going to be my main light for this particular shoot. I'm using the Canon 5D Mark II. My settings are at 160, f10, and ISO 100 for this particular look. And I think we are going to start shooting, but first I am going to introduce the model to you guys. We have Miss Sophie here, and you guys are all used to her, of course. So, and she is wearing some cool little headpiece and stuff here. So we are just going to start shooting now, and yeah, let's go. All right, you guys, so that is the first look I am showing you guys today. I just used the 60 centimeter Snaplux by Elinchrom. Just one light was my setup here with this. And then I used just a beige gravity backdrop as the backdrop, and Sophie here. So yeah, that is the look for today. Join us again tomorrow for part 2. I'm going to show you a 2-light portrait look setup. We are still going to be using the Snaplux, but I am going to include another light. So we will see you guys tomorrow.